Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. I've got my sidekick Carlito here, and today guys, it's all about the avocado, and this episode starts
right now.
Okay guys, we're back and welcome back. As I mentioned, today we're going to have a great episode for Stovetop Yum Yum. It's going to be all about the avocado, and we are going to make my famous, delicious guacamole. What do you think, Carlito?
Anything with avocado tastes delicious. Let's get to it.
Let's do it. Okay, you're probably wondering why I kept this. I keep one of the seeds because when we finish our guacamole, we're going to drop the seed in there and our guacamole will not brown in case we have some left over. What do you think about that tip?
Sounds good.
Okay, so now Carlito's going to grab a spoon and I'm going to do the first one. Here's our beautiful red bowl. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to grab your spoon and you're going to scoop the whole entire avocado out. Check this out.
Whoa.
Look at this. The whole entire avocado. Look how beautiful these avocados are. Oh my God. You want to do the next one?
Yes.
All right, Carlito's going to do the next one. And I'll help you.
The secret
So
is...
all these avocados are going to be, oh, this is beautiful. Takes practice though, a little bit, you know? Just dig deep in there. Don't be afraid. Go all the way around. You have to go all the way around like that. That's how you do it. You go all the way around, drop it in the bowl. Take all the way around the green, and we scoop our beautiful avocados out. Wow.
Oh, voila. I got an avocado.
You got it? Okay.
Yep.
All right. So now let's get my knife. I'm going to show you another little secret.
Guacamole.
This is a very easy, you can toss that, sweetheart. This is another easy way. Be very, very careful with your hand. But this is a very easy way for me to get the seed out. Just tap the seed, turn, and the seed comes right out. Keep that aside for now. I'm going to scoop this. We're going to make it nice and coarse. I don't like, let me bring this up. What a nice setup here. I love all this stuff. We're not going to make I like chunky avocado. Okay guys, we're back at the stove. What I did was I grabbed a fork and I went ahead. I like to keep I was thinking of doing it in the chopping, but I changed my mind. Grab a fork. Look how beautiful that avocado is. Wow, it's beautiful. One thing I forgot to mention that we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of sour cream. Grab some sour cream. Now we're going to put the rest of our ingredients.
Okay.
All right, let's drop in our spices. We got pepper, black pepper.
Pepper.
Salt.
Salt and onion powder.
And onion powder. Onion. I'm going to stir this around.
That looks like some good guacamole already. We haven't even added anything else yet.
Yum. Yes.
Yum.
Okay, let's throw our onions in there, Carlito.
Onion
You
with
have the onions? Thank you.
jalapeno.
It may seem like a lot, but it's not. It's very delicious on how much texture this has.
Fair guacamole.
But what is it?
It's yum yum, obviously. Look at it. Anything with guacamole is yum yum.
He loves avocado.
I love yum yum. I meant
Our tomatoes are going in here. My God.
guacamole's amazing.
Beautiful. So now we're going to grab the cilantro. Drop it in there.
Drop it.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's
See?
not
Let's
wanting
get
to
it all
come
out. That's okay. Cilantro's tricky. Stubborn sometimes.
Yep.
It does not want to go. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Drop it in there. Mix the cilantro.
Clean up the kitchen and make sure everything is yum yum.
We haven't put the lemon in yet, but let's check so far. So far, let's check the texture in this. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that guac is. Beautiful. And that heaping tablespoon of sour cream makes it taste so much creamier. Now I have a little secret. You see my little lemon squeezer. Did you guys know, Carlito, did you know how we normally grab this part and put it in to squeeze the juice out? That's not the right way to do it.
It's
The
not?
right way, no, the right way to do it is face up, like this, and you get the most juice out of it like that.
Because of the shape hitting it, it's less dense there to
Look
get
at that.
onto
Look
it.
at all that juice coming out.
Wow.
Look at that. You guys want to see why? Look at this is why. It's kind of like, kind of like when you're juicing an orange on a juicer. You understand? Look how much more of that came out. Wow. Watch your eyes though when you're doing this because it can squirt out a little bit. But wow, look at that, you guys. I mean, look at all that juice coming out. Oh, God. You want to do the last two?
Yes,
Be
man.
careful with your eyes here. Hurry up, just squeeze it down. Don't be that scared. Nothing's going to happen.
Happened to me with
He's
oranges
learning.
too.
Look at that. Look at all that juice coming out when you lift it. You see that?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So let's grab the last one and put it face up.
Boop.
All right, so let's do
Make
that.
it yum, yum, guys. Lift it up. Oh, look at all that
Perfect.
juice.
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm going to taste it for the salt now. Small little taste. Tell me what you think. Oh, be
Okay.
careful. I think it needs a pinch.
Yeah, a pinch of more flavor.
No, take your hand out of there. A pinch. So creamy with that sour cream, isn't it? Oh,
I could eat it without the chips, honestly. So good.
just a pinch, you guys.
I mix it a little bit and then we'll try it again and see if it's perfect.
Oh boy, this is beautiful. And that little secret of that heaping tablespoon of sour cream makes it so delicious. Gosh, the difference is, I mean, it's incredible. Grab your avocado seed and just bloop,
Whoa.
drop it in. If you have leftover, leave it in the fridge. It won't turn brown. It won't turn brown.
Yeah, I
What do you think about that?
I think that's great, but I might accidentally eat it.
Well, we all know that. I know you're going to eat it. I'll be right back. You don't want to miss this presentation with our delicious tortilla strips. We'll be right back. You guys, let's taste. Carlito. Oh my God.
This looks so good.
It's good.
Mm.
You love it? Oh. Here, mate.
Good.
You taste the creaminess of the sour cream, the tomato, the acid in the tomato, the pickled jalapenos, the freshness of that cilantro. There's a lot of texture in that guacamole, and then you got the texture of the tortilla chip. Yum, yum. I think we should try it again. Look at this monster bite. Good.
It was yum yum.
Tell them what you think, mate.
It was good. It's yum yum. It was very yum yum.
Okay.
No, not today. No. Not today. Not today. Not today. That's a little sweet.
Carlito and I, put that down. Carlito and I had a lot of fun making this video. And we're very happy to share it with you. It's so easy and so delicious. Whether you're watching a football game with your friends, have company over, or whether you're just home and you just want a snack. Very easy. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe But don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new episode. And as always, you guys, au revoir, kid. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, we will be back.
Carlito will be back.
And I will be back. And we will see you then. Take good care. Bye.